It was a busy week for the Verify team. I'm Ariane Daytil.
And I'm Brandon Lewis. We're the national hosts of Verify. Let's get you caught up on our top stories, including whether a deadly parasite that spreads through bare feet is in the U.S., if you can plant a tree by posting a pet pic, and claims that AirPods emit dangerous levels of electromagnetic waves. Verify viewer Jane sent us these headlines warning about the dangers of walking barefoot and wants to know if there is a potentially deadly parasite that infects people through bare feet in the U.S. Let's verify by checking with these sources. The parasite in the article is called a Strongyloid, which lives in soil contaminated by human feces. One of the more common ways for it to enter humans is when they walk barefoot through infected soil.
Larva will penetrate the foot, either the sides of the foot or up all the way up on the ankle, and it'll burrow its way in. You don't even feel it because it's very microscopic or very small.
Strongyloids are common in impoverished areas with tropical climates. Within the U.S., doctors have treated strongyloid infections in the Appalachian region, Puerto Rico, and some parts of Texas. In many cases, doctors say patients don't experience any symptoms, although the biggest risk of death is among people who are immunosuppressed. So, it's true. There is a potentially deadly parasite that infects people through bare feet in the U.S., although it's not common and most people won't die from being infected.
Who doesn't love to share pictures of their pets on Instagram? A viral Instagram sticker promised you could also help the environment if you add their sticker to your post. And 4 million users? Well, they did it. So let's verify. Will a tree be planted for sharing a picture of a pet with the sticker? We checked with these sources. The Instagram account for Plant a Tree Co. claimed responsibility for the sticker campaign. A statement on their Instagram account says the company tried to delete the campaign once it realized it didn't have the resources to plant all of the trees. They managed to remove their credit from the sticker, but the sticker itself is still circulating. Plant a Tree Co. says they will not be planting trees, but they started a fundraiser on Instagram for the charity Trees for the Future, which raised about $35,000. But Trees for the Future tells Verify they are not affiliated with the company and reported the post. They also said they haven't received any money from the fundraiser yet. So it's false that a tree will be planted for sharing a picture of a pet with the sticker.
AirPods are a popular accessory for millions of mobile phone users, but viral posts on Twitter and Facebook claim they have dangerous health side effects. So, let's verify. Do AirPods transmit dangerous levels of electromagnetic waves? These are our sources. Electromagnetic waves are emitted by every electronic device. Their strength is regulated by the FCC, which sets a limit below what would be hazardous to humans. AirPods have a maximum strength that's 10 times lower than the FCC limit.
I think that the public should be reassured by the state of the science and the technology as it exists today.
So, it's false that AirPods transmit dangerous levels of electromagnetic waves. We fact-check even more claims for you this week. You can find those stories and more at verifythis.com and on our social media pages at VerifyThis.
And if there's something that you want verified, send it to us. We'll see you back here next week with more answers to your questions verified.